Alrighty guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be discussing the Vans Off the Wall Mismoedig, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, it's Mismoedig beanie. This is a great beanie. I wear lots and lots of beanies. I have tons of them. This is probably one of my favorite ones just because it's lasted so long and Vans still makes these exact beanies, which is pretty cool, and I think that says a lot, especially for a company that is constantly changing their products with the season and whatever. They're still making these Mismoedig beanies. They're still the exact same. I would know because one of my buddies just picked another one up, and I was just like, oh my god, that's this beanie that I've had forever. So it is 100% acrylic. It's a slouch beanie. That's kind of the style, I guess. That's what they call it, because it slouches a little bit off the back of your head. And obviously, it's from Vans. It's just great overall, especially for California winters, just because, it's not too heavy. Let's talk about this look. The look on this, I think, is really, really nice. You have a minimal gray design, a little bit frosted, sort of, all the way around. Really, really nice, just that gray, black, and white kind of design. On the front, you have a little tag. This tag-like material with the Vans Off the Wall logo right there. It's really nice and small, so it doesn't get in the way. And it's also stitched on there pretty well, so you're not going to have any trouble with it falling off or whatever. I think this is just a great all-around style. Great for formal wear. Great for casual wear, whatever. Great for going on a run, going to the gym. Anything you're doing, you can wear this. And for me, I have long hair, so sometimes, especially if I'm going to something formal and don't have time to whatever, put my hair together so I don't look like a crazy person, then I can just put it in this beanie and it looks nice. Although it is a slouch beanie is what they call it. It definitely is more tight fitting, especially when you first put it on. And so I think that slouch kind of takes a while, especially it takes a while to just form around your head and get to that shape. So I would keep that in mind. It's not some big, a Rastafarian sort of beanie. It's pretty small. So that being, with all that in mind, you definitely have to wear it a little bit for sure to get that style. There are a lot of pros to this thing, I think. For starters, it's super lightweight. This means it's perfect for, California winters, in my opinion. So you really don't need all that weight on your head with a beanie. You don't need that, extra protection from the snow. You can deal with something that is a little lighter. It's very, very breathable, which is great. You can see that it opens up a little bit if I, it's like the stitching isn't super closed off. There are little kind of holes. I don't know if you can kind of see it. But it breathes really well on your head, which I really like. This makes it great for wearing even on days when it's not super cold. Be a little bit cooler spring days. Your head won't get too hot or too sweaty or nasty or anything. Lastly, it's just super durable. Like I said, I've had this beanie for a very, very long time. It's still intact. Obviously, there's a little bit, it's frayed a little bit up here, but I mean, after all that I've put this through, I'm really surprised that it's still in this great a condition, honestly. It's been 5 or 6 years, still looking just pristine. I've also washed it a lot as well. I would just be careful with washing it, and I would definitely recommend not drying it at all, as it will shrink. I dried it, and it definitely did shrink a little bit, but luckily after so much wear I kind of stretched it back out, so it ended up being okay. But yeah, all in all, if you guys are out there looking for a nice, lightweight, simple beanie that can really be worn in just about any situation, and you also love Vans products, I would highly, highly recommend this Vans Off the Wall Mismoedig Slouch Beanie. It is awesome and will truly last you a lifetime. Alright guys, have fun and Stay fashionable. Take it easy.